About Android side loading changes, the LineageOS team has announced major development update, bringing several improvements to make the custom Android ROM easier to install and use. Some of the biggest highlights in the platform is summertime updates announcement, including a long-awaited browser-based flashing tip, a redesigned update app, expanding device support, and confirmation the development of the next Android 17-based release is underway. Perhaps the biggest addition is a new web-based flashing tool that allows users to install LineageOS directly from their browsers. The tool is available to the project download portal, supports Fastboot, ADB, and even Samsung's Odin flashing protocol. That said, the platform notes this will not completely replace the traditional installation process. Users will still need to install the device-specific instruction in the LineageOS wiki. Meanwhile, the project has also overhauled its updated app with a fresh Material 3 exclusive design. Behind the visual refresh, the app displays the Android standard security bulletin level included in each update before installation, making it easier to see exactly which security patches you're getting. LineageOS says A by B OTA package will now be streamed by default as well, reducing storage space required for update while speeding up the installation process. LineageOS said it has adapted to Google's new Android 16 security patching model, bundling most security fixes into quarterly releases. The team says it will continue to test and merge monthly security patches for current LineageOS releases while backproofing fixes to several older branches when possible. Talking about the future, the developer confirmed that work on LineageOS 24 has officially begun following Google's Android 17 release. The team has not shared any release timeline but says the development is going on very well.